Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Christy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you are not subscribed to my channel, sis, what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button and the bell so you are alerted when I do upload new videos.
I was born to flex, yes. Diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex. But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really want to see is that.
So as you guys know, in all of my videos, I've been saying I am so done with doing my hair. I need a wig. I need something for my hair for the summer because I am not doing it all summer 19 or all summer, all everyday 19. I'm just not doing it with my hair this year. So you guys, I found a great company. And no, I am not sponsored by this company, although I would like to be sponsored by this company eventually. But, you guys, so I found a good hair supplier that I actually fell in love with. And so, you guys, the name of the hair company is called LUXY Hair.
All right, you guys, so LUXY Hair is an extension website. They only cater to clip-in extensions, you guys. And if you have fine, thin, or thick hair, they also cater to that too because they have customized hair extensions, hair clip-in extensions that will cater to your hair width, if that makes sense. So you guys, you have an option to select your thick, medium, or thin hair. Then you can go and select your hair color, you guys. You can choose in between 16 to 20 inches if you would like. Click the hair color that's pretty much contingent on your hair, and yeah, put it in your shopping cart. So you guys, the best part is coming up right here. Okay, because you guys, if you don't have the money right now, you're not rich, not everybody's rich, you can go and make installments for these hair extensions. So yeah, you heard me, that's right. Klara has it made where you guys can actually make payments, split them into 4, pay one of the payments now, pay the rest later, you guys.
So you guys, today I'm actually going to show you how to get instant length in 10 minutes or less. So let's get into this video, you guys. So the items that are going to be needed before you install your clip-ins or even after your clip-ins, you're going to need your edge control. I also use coconut milk oil. This oil is good, especially since I have color treated hair. You want to protect your hair when you are straightening your hair before you do apply your extensions into your hair. You want to make sure that your hair is oiled and heat, damage resistant. You don't want to have your hair damaged from anything that you're using, especially when it comes to extension. A hair scrunchie, you guys, to hold your hair in place. This is a comb. I use like a wide end comb, you guys, just to kind of comb my hair out. My hair is a little bit thicker, so yeah. Let's get into this video, guys. So now I'm just going to start parting my hair. I'm actually going to start from the back, you guys, and work my way. When you first get, you guys, it's actually going to be a clip-in on here, right? It's going to be tied on here, twisted on here really nice and neatly. It's going to give you instructions on what to do. So you need to read the instructions carefully because if you go ahead and you take this off of here and you unseal the packaging on here, then you can't return it if it doesn't match your hair color. So make sure you guys are reading the instructions. You guys are going to have 2 of them that have 3. And if you guys could see that, like they are just nicely done. This is the back side, which will be like, your hair will be covering this part so you won't see, you guys. But you guys see how it's like the same color of the actual hair. Now next you guys are going to have one that has 4. Then you'll have several of them that have 2. And then you'll have 1, like several of them. So you guys, I'm going to lift my hair up. With my finger, I'm just going to go across in a straight line, okay? And honestly, it doesn't really matter if it's like super straight. Nobody's going to tell that your part is not straight in the back. I'm going to take my hair tie, you guys, and I'm going to tie it up. Take my 3, and I'm going to place it in the back, you guys. And you want to make sure that you're somewhat close to the scalp, but not as close. And you're just going to clip them on, you guys. And they're on. Alright, you guys, so we're going to do another section of the hair. So I'm just going to do the same thing I did with the first one. Just take straight line across. Straight as you can get it, you guys. It's kind of hard if you don't have anybody to just part your hair for you as you do it. But as straight as you can, you guys. Get it going, you guys. I'm just going to open them up. They just snap open, you guys. Alright, you guys, so once you have them fully installed, they should look like this, and your hair should be blended in with the actual clip-ins, you guys. And just make sure your hair looks so fuller. Like I said, if you want to curl them or roll them prior, you can roll them, you know, and then unroll them, put them in and unroll them out to give you more of a fuller look. Or what you guys could do is purchase 2 packs of the LUXY hair, clip them in up above each other to make your hair look fuller and thicker as well. For my honest review about them, they say that they'll make your hair look thicker. They're pretty decent. I feel like I needed another pack to really give me the volumize that I'm really looking for and that I wanted. But this is pretty good, you guys. I actually love it. I've gotten so many compliments on this hair and on my hair itself. So you guys, one thing that I do like to do is I do like to style my hair, you know, how I would style it, you know, if I was going to actually rock these. So, and I'm actually going to rock them. I'm actually going to be doing work today, so there's no like if I am going to, I have to. All right, you guys, so I'm going to take my toothbrush and that edge control, you guys, and I'm going to do me some baby hair. So I'm just going to take my baby hair and shape it how I wear it. I'm loving these little headbands right now, you guys. These headbands are like life for me. I have them in a lot of different colors and styles. So I'm actually going to add this headband to my actual hair. I love these, you guys. If you do not have one of these, you guys need to go get one. Like, I am so serious. Like, this is so cute, right? And then you can just pull your hair out. And if you guys have like flyaways in your hair, take some oil and just blend your hair in with the actual hair extensions. It'll like come into place. Then you guys, oh my god, this is so cute. Okay. So now you guys, I'm really going to enhance my baby hair a little bit more now that I have this on. Get you some baby hair going on here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel. And again, if you guys are not subscribed, this is your first time viewing my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and this bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos, you guys. And I know I will see you in my next video. I hope to see you in my next video.